Box in, trading plan, and case study. Really excited. Let's make you a successful trader, guys. Here we go. You guys know I am big on trade execution, and that's what we cover here. Very in-depth detail into how we went about taking a trade, reviewing the markets, all market internals, why we took a trade, how the market internals affected our decision making onto why we're getting in, why we're getting out, and how these trades played out over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full days of trading, guys. All right, we went over our pre-execution checklist, reviewed the markets, the tick, everything that helped us make our decision making to take this account from just $3,000 to over $6,000 in just 7 days. So here it is. This is the outline. We'll go over our goal setting, charts and market internal setup, daily mind boost routine, followed by our trading plan and checklist review, followed by our stock scanners, and finally our trading plan execution review. Guys, I know you will enjoy the course. I know you will learn a lot from it, and I know you will love it. Go ahead and give it a try, and I'll see you guys on the next one.